How you all doing around here, Ralph Customs? Time for a quick vlog. You might recall, obviously I changed there's the trike look, the XJ900. This is a massive front end out of it with 200 tyre on Harley Davidson Fat Bob wheel, Brembo calipers, all been rebuilt. I can't remember what the forks are out of, KTM or something like that, motocross, so they've been fully rebuilt. Big fuck off slab yokes, all that, that's got to go, if you know anyone, while I've got you. Big fuck off front end, 200 front tyre, massive slab yokes upside down, is Brembo discs for fucking sale. Now what I really need to get across is, can I take a photo? Yeah. I've just screen captured this Rolling Thunder. My fucking friend, because he is a friend, Stu Burnham, Titch, Shaky as he's called now because of his Parkinson's, bless him. He's one of the organisers of Rolling Thunder UK. If you don't know what it is, Google the fucker. Yeah, go on your Facebook, find him, look. There's his fucking details. All around the UK on Saturday the 28th of August, thousands, and I mean fucking thousands of bikers meet up and ride to fucking London, yeah, to Whitehall, to Parliament, to fucking show our support for our soldiers, for veterans, yeah, because they're being prosecuted for being fucking soldiers. Yeah, they were doing their lawful duty many years ago. I won't get into the politics of it, but the government's cunts. And these blokes have been told to do this shit. And it ain't like the Nazis. They are only following orders. They've not done war crimes. They've not done atrocities. Okay, that's quite subjective. But these guys are regular fucking squaddies, yeah? They're just doing the fucking job. And they're getting tried for alleged offences that they've already been fucking sorted. They've already been cleared of all fucking charges. Now, 40 years later, these are old guys. These are retired men and they're being dragged through the fucking court and threatened with fucking imprisonment for fucking just being a soldier. So, rant over. But we're supporting them. We are going on fucking mass to Whitehall. Yeah, my friend, and he's a friend, little Titch, Stu Burnham, find him on Facebook, join in. There'll be one near you. Let's see you on the day. Okay, so the XJ900 T-Racy Curl. That's going out this week. It's fucking dirty, isn't it? I might drag it forward and, well, backwards. Give it a quick blow off. All part of the service. Before he picks it up. So, yeah, that's going out. You'll have seen that we got on and did Nicky's seat. Not done the rear rails yet. I don't know where to have her in. Just to check before I start fabricating off of that. We've got Billy J's Diners coming back. Bless him. That's a little bit more work on that. The main thing, the domination, is the Triumph that they've actually started cutting up now. Look. So there's a video series all of its own. And my fucking Diners in because he spat his fucking hooter off, basically. There's a bracket here and it's metal fatigued away because I didn't bother putting a rubber mount in, which is down there now. Look, I've scavenged the original rubber off of the original fucking hooter, which is like bigger than anything you'd ever want to have on your fucking bike if you've got any fucking class. So that's gone on the shelf of maybe we'll use it one day, maybe we won't. And my mate Ben was kind enough to give me this delightful little thing off his breakout, which is just a regular hoover with a cover on it, but it's fucking nice. But I've shared the bracket, yeah, so I've cut a bit of stainless, which looks a bit rough sat there. I'm just going to drill that out and give it a quick clean up, put the rubber mount in, bolt it on there, bolt it on the rubber mount. Bob's your jolly old. So that's this morning's adventure. We've also got the DRO working properly on the lathe. Those that know will understand that when you change your x-axis, it's direct. Look, I'm fucking about. What I'm trying to explain is when you move this a millimetre, it takes 2 millimetres off the diameter of the job. Obviously, this moves across a millimetre towards the part. The part gets turned a millimetre off each side, so it'll take a millimetre off this side, which in turn takes a millimetre off that side, so it's 2 millimetres smaller. So when you measure it and enter that figure into your X, and you want to set it, you want to hit the size that you want, you need the DRO to understand that shit. And it took me ages to fucking work it out, because the Chinglish fucking instruction book that's down in the never seen drawer, here we go, digital readouts, fucking 22V, 3V, blah, blah, blah. Didn't go into it, but I saw a video and somebody said, hit the off button. Yeah, so I tried that. Let's have a go, look. So we'll set this on 0. I've gone past it. Set that on 0. There you go. Right. We'll 0 that out. 0. And we've got the half function, you can see, because it's got a fucking little monk there next to fucking do your abs. Yeah, I know. And we'll move this 1 millimetre. Thereabouts. I'm not bothered about it being really accurate, but you can see it's now gone minus 1.7, which is nearly minus 2. That's the difference. So hey, I'm really pleased at that speed. Still on with the Harrison machinery. Look at this, I'm set up for this. I'm making a V-block for this back jaw. I'm going to change this back jaw. I have a replacement back jaw. There will be a V-block. I saw Pedantic Lee. I'll try and link when I do the actual video for this part. I'll link to Pedantic Lee. Sorry, Pragmatic, not Pedantic. Fuck me. Pragmatic Lee. I'll link to him, and he did one, and it inspired me. It's good practice for the mill. It's a useful tool, and away she blows like. But I've figured out that the air mist coolant system, siphon out the jar, look, there we go, top it up through the main feed, works fucking brilliant. We've got its own little regulator to keep it at a maximum of 40 psi. There's about fuck all in it at the minute because the air's off. And we've got the main feed working. The pump's well obsolete and probably expensive to get fixed, but we found a 12 volt diesel fuel oil, fucking don't know what pump, like a bilge pump for draining shit. So we've got the auxiliary power supply under there, look, with a little switch on it. There you go, that just spurted a bit out. It goes fucking everywhere if I show you properly, and I'm not going to do that. So that's good, that's all working. And major fucking work, lamp works. Good old Foxer, lots of love aid. You fucking fuck off. It's done it. It's just mechanical contacts weren't making it. Sorted. So I've got that working, all the coolant working. I've sussed that you need to cover your fucking bed and have a catch fucking tank. Look, I've got a board box because the chips go fucking everywhere. Hence the fucking curtains up, look. Pull another one over when I'm cleaning down. I've got the full privacy fucking section. Look, there we go. And the more I've watched people work on milling machines, the more people I've seen do that shit, because them chips go everywhere. And you take them home, and they're in the car, and they're in your pants, and they're fucking in your socks, and they just do it. So, well happy. Hey, so there you fucking have it. Not much to report, really. One going out, one in progress, one coming in. I'm looking forward to doing Billy's fucking dyno. Remember I fitted the Fat Boy thing? There'll be a link somewhere there or there. I'll try and link to it. You can see the work that I did on that. And a few little bits and bobs. Stay tuned for regular updates. Have a wonderful, wonderful fucking week. Lots of love to you and yours. Please check my description. Follow my friends. Let them know you came from me. Big love, everyone. See you later.